Okay, now we talk about question 5. Let S, S is a set, right? The set x, y, 0x, and be careful, the question is testing you. X, y, do you understand the set notation? X, y belong to real number, and x, y cannot be 0, understand? This one it means it's set for, right? Cannot be 0, so it's set for 0, so it means x cannot be 0, y cannot be 0. Matrix A belong to the set, so it means oh yeah, matrix A belong to the set, so it means matrix A you can just assume matrix A equation like equal to x, y, x, 0, right? And B is A, B, C, D. Now you mean the rule A, B times B, A. So we need to prove B belong to this kind of set. So it means you need to prove C equals 0. And you need to prove A equals D. Alright. Okay. How do you do this one? So I make a B equal to B, already told you that's A, B, C, D. We try to find the equation. So A times B equal to B times A. So it means x, y, 0x times A, B, C, D will equal to A, B, C, D times x, y, 0x. Okay, we times each other, we get a new matrix. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so still 2 times 2. Here we get ax plus cy, right? Here we get bx plus dy. Here we get a 0 plus cs. Here we get a 0 plus dx. So here we get x plus 0. Here we get ay plus bx. Here we get cx. Here we get a cy plus dx. So we get the equation is what? We get ax plus cy equal to ax. Bx plus dy equal to ay plus bx. Another one is cs equal to cx, no problem. cs equal to cs, no problem. Another one is dx equal to cy plus dx. Okay, you think about it from 2, do you find out bx plus bx, so it means ay must equal dy, but y cannot be 0, right? So if dy from 2 solve equation, therefore dy, you will find dy equal to ay. You can divide by y, divide by y. That's why equation tells you y cannot be 0, okay? So you can get a equal to d. Okay, from 1, do you find out ax plus cy equal to ax? A cannot be 0, so x cannot be 0, so you minus ax, right? Sub equation, you get cy equals 0. Y cannot be 0, so you can say only c must equal 0. So we get a equal d, c equals 0. Okay, that will be proved. Therefore, you can write down b vector become a, b, 0.